Good morning students, welcome back to your maths class. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter 15, probability. So let's start with the definition of probability. Probability is the numerical measurement of the degree of certainty. That is, probability is nothing but the chances or possibility of the event occurs. दूसरे शब्दों में कहा जाए तो प्रोबेबिलिटी किसी इवेंट या घटना के होने की संभावना बताती है. द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एन इवेंट डिनोटेड बाय पी ऑफ ई इज द लाइकलीहुड ऑफ दैट इवेंट ऑकरिंग. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एन इवेंट कैन डिनोटेड बाय पी ऑफ ई and the formula for this P of E is the number of ways it can happen upon the number of possible outcomes. किसी इवेंट के होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी हम इस फॉर्मूले से फाइंड कर सकते हैं. इन न्यूमरेटर वी हैव द नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स ऑफ दैट इवेंट हैपन अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स. Mathematically, probability of an event E is defined as P of E equal to Ne upon Ns. When we solve the questions based on probability, we use this formula. In this formula, Ne shows the number of outcomes of favorable cases to E and Ns shows the total number of possible outcomes. The probability of an event E is a number between 0 and 1 inclusive. That is, 0 is less than or equal to P of E is less than or equal to 1. It means probability of any event lies between 0 and 1 inclusive. It cannot be less than 0 and it cannot be greater than 1. So the value of probability cannot be negative. If P of E equal to 0, then the event cannot possibly occur. An event that cannot occur has 0 probability. Such an event is called impossible event. यदि किसी इवेंट की प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 है, इट मीन्स वो इवेंट कभी पॉसिबल ही नहीं है और इस तरह की इवेंट इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट कहलाती है. और यदि कोई इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट है तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी हमेशा 0 होती है. इफ P of E equal to 1, then the event is certain to occur and an event that is certain to occur has probability equal to 1 and it is called a sure event or certain event. यदि कोई इवेंट 100% हो सकती है तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 होती है और इस तरह की इवेंट श्योर इवेंट या सर्टेन इवेंट कहलाती है. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट. If E denotes the event E occurs, then not E or E bar denotes the event E does not occur. That is, यदि E से हम किसी इवेंट के होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी दर्शाते हैं तो not E या E bar से हम उस इवेंट के नहीं होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी दर्शाते हैं. Now we know the formula of P of E equal to Ne upon Ns. So the formula of P of not E is equal to 1 minus Ne upon Ns. Now we can replace this Ne upon Ns by P of E. That's why P of not E equal to 1 minus P of E. If we interchange these places, P of E by P of not E, we get P of E equal to 1 minus P of not E. इससे हम ये देख सकते हैं कि यदि हमें P of E की वैल्यू पता है तो हम P of not E की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं. And if we know the value of P of not E, then we can find the value of P of E. Thus, these two events are complementary to each other and the sum of probability of P of E and P of not E is always equal to 1. Now some important tips to solve the question based on probability. Coin. You all know that coin has two faces. One is head and the other is tail. Dice. A dice is a small cube. Dice is a small cube which have 6 faces spotted by dots, or it can be spotted by numbers also between 1 to 6, which is used in games. And the third type of event can be cards. A pack of playing cards. You all know that in a pack of playing card there are 4 types of cards: hearts, spades, diamonds and clubs. And in each type you have 13 cards from ace, king, queen, jack to 1, 2 to 10. Now let's start questions from exercise 15.1. Question number 1 is P of E equal to 0.05. What is the probability of not E? Here we have P of E plus P of not E equal to 1. Given the value of P of E equal to 0.05, when we put this value in the formula, we get P of not E equal to 1 minus 0.05, and when we subtract this, we get the answer as 0.95. Second question is, a bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy, a lemon flavored candy? Since we know the bag only contains lemon flavored candy, that is, it cannot contain orange flavored candy. There is no orange flavored candy, so the probability of an orange flavored candy is 0. And as all candies are lemon flavored in the bag, so the probability of a lemon flavored candy is 1. Question number 3 is, a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red or not red? Now the number of red balls is 3, the number of black balls is 5. So total number of balls are 3 plus 5, that is 8. Now first we want to find out the probability of the red ball. Probability of red ball is equal to number of red balls upon total number of balls. Now number of red balls is 3 and total number of balls are 8. So it is 3 upon 8. And the second, that probability of not a red ball is equal to 1 minus 3 by 8. Now 1 minus 3 by 8 is 5 by 8. Question number 4 is, a piggy bank contains 150 paisa coins, 50 rupee 1 coins, 20 rupees 2 coins and 10 rupees 5 coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin will be a 50 paise coin, will not be a 5 rupee coin? So first of all, we will write the number of different coins. Number of 50 paise coins is equal to 100. Number of 1 rupee coin is equal to 50. Number of 2 rupee coin is equal to 20. And the number of 5 rupee coin is 10. So total number of coins is equal to 100 plus 50, 150 plus 20, 170 plus 10, 180. Total number of coins are 180. Now first we want to find out the probability of a 50 paise coin, which is equal to 50 paise coins are 100. So 100 upon total outcomes 180. When we cancel these two numbers, we get 5 by 9. Now second, probability of not a 5 rupee coin. Not a 5 rupee coin. Therefore, we will subtract probability of a 5 rupee coin from 1. So 1 minus probability of 5 rupee coin is 10 upon 180. Now this 1 minus 10 upon 180 equal to 170 upon 180, and when the 0 will cancel, we will get 17 by 18 in this probability. Now try to solve the remaining question of exercise. We will solve some more question in the next session. Thank you.